Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for February 24th, 2017. It's about 10 minutes after the close today. Yes, you heard it here first. We actually had a downtick in one of the indexes today. NASDAQ down 1750 today, but guess what? ES is up 250 and the Dow Jones still up 34 for the day. Now, very interesting what's going on here. I've been warning about this for a while. Always look for divergences. Yesterday, when Janet Yellen came out and said they might tighten sooner than later, that always hurts growth stocks. That's number one. Number two, today the Trump party came out and said they might delay an infrastructure project until 2018. That hurts the growth stocks also. Guess what else it hurts is the transports. The transports has already started to show a little weakness. Like I've said before, I always look for divergences before I'd even think of shorting the market. The idea in here is we're starting to see some divergences, which I'll revisit in a second here. The first thing is ES is up 275, Russell down 750, NASDAQ down 1725. You have the bonds up 20. You know, lack of a stimulus like that always helps the bonds. You have the transports down 112. That's what I'm talking about in here. Gold having a great day up 1680 and silver up 21. Crude oil up 77. Now, I want to show you something interesting. See these little tidbits, these futures? Now, I want you to see something. Here's gold on the left. Now, go and check out Newmont Mining, a gold stock on the right. Down for the day. How many days did this go up when gold was going down? Now we're getting the opposite. You wonder if that's a warning sign. Temporarily it's fine, but a little warning sign. Crude oil on the left. Check out Apache on the right. Down $2 today, just ultimately plummeting. In fact, to give you an idea, right now, Apache is where it was in September. In September, oil was 43, 10 points lower. What do the oil stocks know that the oil futures don't? Just unbelievable on what's going on in there. So to go back to revisiting the futures in here, like I said, crude up, dollar down a bit, advanced decline all day, hovered near the zero line. The VIX, UVXY up again, up $1.10. We have seen this massive divergence of every day the ES is closing up and every day the UVXY closing up. Very unusual. Something is brewing under the surface. At least that's the way it looks like to me. Yeah, the Nikkei today down 50. German DAX down fractionally and the DJ China down fractionally. So where does this put us with the market? Number one. You heard it here first. Bearish engulfing on the NASDAQ. You don't see a lot of bearish engulfing in the NASDAQ. Last one was, believe it or not, all the way back here. That day right here. And that led to a couple of days decline. Not a lot, but a couple. Bearish engulfing now. Not a lot of support. And pretty far away from its moving average. That's a negative sign, no doubt about it. Other thing in here. Go and put the transports on the left. Now, what I want you to see is they were down today, and you might say, oh, big deal. That's not that big a move. I put the industrials on the right. Put it on a daily. Not that big a difference until you put it on a 2-hour, and it becomes really apparent. Look at the divergence here. Gigantic. This, which I warned if it broke here, would go right to here, and it did. This is 230 points from its high. This is on its high. That's a danger sign. The last time the transports were here was that spike. Let me take off all these lines. I got a little topsy-turvy. Transports, that day, that's like this being down 600 points. Big old divergence in there. On the Simpler Stocks premium side, we're going to go over which stocks within the Dow we should be shorting. To let you know, we still have our specials on Simpler Stocks. Try the gold for $7. Right there. This is me on the IBM floor for 8 years on the CBOE. Just to let you know. But the gold side, includes everything the silver has, plus I'm on 3 hours on Tuesday through Thursday, 3 to 4. 3 hours of live trading the third Friday of the month. We have made some good money last Friday on that. The other thing in here, silver includes a live chat room every morning from 9 to 10. I also do email alerts where I send out stock ideas and chart idea, futures ideas every day. You also have a premium video like we've talked about, a discussion forum, and a learning center. The learning center, sorry about that, has been a big hit. I've done a number of, let me get it up here so you can see it. A number of videos for anywhere from 20 minutes long to an hour, and everyone goes in the learning series. On-demand classes, $99. A lot of other places charge. You get it with your subscription. Look at all these we've done. All these in here, and those go with your subscription. So $7 30-day trial you have right this week. We have for the gold side, the more premium side. So I hope you can take us up on the offer. Have a great night, and I will talk to you later.